Hi everybody, welcome back. It's your favorite professor, Dr. T, here for another video. So we are going to move on to the next thing that has the low percentage, which is finding the perimeter or area of a rectangle given one of these values. Okay, so finding the perimeter or area. So the perimeter of a rectangle is going to be 2. Let me just write it down. So the perimeter formula is 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. And then the area of a rectangle is just length times width. Okay, so the length of a rectangle is 5 inches longer than its width. So the length is 5 inches longer than the width. If the perimeter of the rectangle is 30 inches, find its area. Okay, so I'm going to plug my numbers into the perimeter. So 2 times the length is going to be 5 plus W plus 2W. And I'm going to get 30 equals 10 plus 2W plus 2W. Sorry, I'm writing on a slant again. I'm going to just subtract the 10 and because I'm running out of room. And so my width is going to be 5. And then I'm going to plug because I'm looking for the area, I'm going to plug in the width for the wait a minute. Once I find the perimeter is that. Okay, so what I need to do is I need to plug in the width into the perimeter formula to solve for the length. Okay, so I'm going to erase all of this. So 30 is equal to 2L plus 2 times 5, which is 10. So 20 equals 2L. So the length is equal to 10. And then all I have to do is plug that into both of those numbers. So W, the width being equal to 5, and the length being equal to 10. I just need to plug that back in. So it's just going to be length times width, which is 10 times 5, which is 50. Oh, God. Okay, let's try another. All right, so the length of a rectangle is 4 times its width. So this time, the length of the rectangle is equal to 4 times the width. And if the area is 324 meters squared, find its perimeter. So the area is going to be 324 equals length times width, but the length is 4W, equals 4W times W. So we're going to get 324 equals 4W squared. Then we divide 324 by 4 because that's the algebraic rule. So 324 divided by 4. And then we're going to get 81. So this is 81. And that's equal to W squared. And then we take the square root. And we do not use the negative part of the square root. So W is equal to 9. And then we need to use the width to figure out what the length is. So 3, so we're going to do, I'm actually going to erase this to make more room. So we know that W is equal to 9. So I'm just going to replace 324 is equal to L times 9. So 324 divided by 9 is equal to 36. So the length is 36. So the length is 36. So to find the perimeter, we use perimeter is 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. We know that this is 2 times 36 is 72. And then 2 times 9 is 18. So the perimeter is 72 plus 18, which is 90. So the perimeter is 90 meters. All right, and then as usual, keep practicing. Click the explanation button. Click it again. If you get it incorrect, just do it again until you are writing enough that you're starting to remember. So as usual, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.